Thank you, Jyoti. Thank you very much. How are you?
I am fine.
Yes, yes, great. What's going
And
on your English practice? What's going on your English practice?
that was going good, but recently I'm busy, so I I couldn't doing practice in these days
Why, where are you busy? Where are you busy? Nowadays, where are you busy?
because I have filled a form related constable job.
Sorry, related to
Constable, police constable.
police constable. Oh, yes, yes, yes.
And
I see.
my exam will be 8. My exam will be
I
on
see.
8.
I see. So, who told you to go and take the police constable form? Who told you? Someone told you, or this is your own wish? This is your own
No,
wish.
no
Someone
one
told
told
you.
me that. No one told me.
I
Because my
see.
younger brother and sister were filling that form, so I thought I have also filled that form, so I filled. So now in
Okay.
these days I'm doing preparation of government exam. That's
Yes,
why
yes.
I couldn't uh, I couldn't practice in these days.
I see. I see. I see. And like apart from constable, what's going on in your mind? Apart from constable form, what's going on in your mind? What's going on
Apart
in your
from
life?
apart from that, I will do as a teaching job. I will become an English teacher like you. I
And
want to say something. You are doing great job, and you are giving to lots of students, providing English videos in free of cost, and you give uh, you give and you had made Hybro app that is also free of cost. And with the help of Hybro app, I'm learning English. So I would like to thank for that.
yes, but I should say thanks to you that you are using Hybro application. I should say thanks to you that you are using Hybro app. Do you have any recommendation related to Hybro app? That if you have any feedback, if you have any recommendation to enhance the like improve the app. Do you have any feedback or any some suggestion related to app?
Yes, I have because recently I was using your app. On that app, I have the faced so many problems like when I called to someone, when I used to call to someone, most of people were not respond me immediately. I had to wait so many times. So I want to you have to resolve that type of problems. If someone
Yes,
talks to anyone, they can connect with immediately.
I and what else? What else? Is there any other problem that you are facing while
No,
using
no, no.
Hybro app?
On their, uh, I don't think so. Uh, I don't think so. Any problem is there?
I see, I see, I
Yes.
see. I That's nice. That's nice. Then tell me more about yourself. Tell me more about yourself. I want to know something about yourself.
I'm from Punjab. My name is Jyoti, and
Mhm.
I have done MCA. But after MCA, I was doing as a freelancing work. But some after 4 years, they had suspended my account. So
Uh-huh.
now, I quit that idea. I will not do that kind of work as a freelancer. Now I'm concentrated on a government job as well as the private sector like teacher or BPO sector. I will do work.
I
And
I
what do you
see. I
do,
see.
sir? I want to know about yourself.
Yes, you ask me. Come on, ask me. I'm ready
What
to
do you do
answer you.
whole
What?
day?
Sorry.
What do you do in a whole day?
Well, I whole day I talk to my subscriber. I
Oh,
work on a YouTube and I'm maintaining my application. I'm surveilling on my application that every day I am trying to improve myself. Every day I am trying to give them a suggestion and feedback to my student, my subscriber. And every day I am thinking about that how can I improve the application that people can get more and more benefit through the application. This is
okay.
my, so this is what I do all day. This is what I do all day.
Okay. You are doing good job because you are helping to everyone in free of cost.
Yes,
You are
yes,
not
yes, yes.
charging anything. If anyone interested to talk to you, you 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 send the message to that person immediately. You respond immediately, and when I message you in a few minutes, you respond me. So
Yes, yes, yes. I am here to help you people. Jyoti,
yes,
I am here to help you. My first priority is to help. My first priority is to help people.
yes.
This is my priority. I love doing that. I love doing. I
And you
love doing that.
motivate a lot to every people. You say you can do. If I can do, you can also do. You always motivate to everyone. That thing I like in you.
I see. Thank you. Thank you, Jyoti. And what are you doing? What are you doing nowadays to learn spoken English? Tell me your way. Tell me your method. That
Yes,
what you are doing for the last 1 year.
yes. So I'm not talking in daily routine, but in your app, Hybro, I was connected
Mhm.
with one person. I talk to that person, not daily.
I
Yes.
uh-huh. So
So it
what do you think that by practice we can improve our English that or we need some other tactic that we need to read, we need to listen. What is the simplest way to enhance the spoken English? What's your opinion? Yes.
yes. According to me, simplest method is we should talk more. Uh, Other thing is also important, but more important is we should talk. If we are
Mm.
talking wrong, but we should speak more and more. And I saw lots of I saw in your all of videos you tell to all people you should speak more and more and more rather than reading or writing. But most important thing we should speak a lot.
Yes, yes. If somebody wants to learn English, if somebody are trying to learn spoken English, then start speaking. This is my message to everyone. If somebody wants to learn English, if somebody are trying to learn spoken, start speaking from now on. Start speaking. Start practice. Start
Yes.
practice.
And
Yes.
there's lots of girls and boys told tells to you are looking like actor. Even I same thinking. All are telling to you, right, you are looking like Rajkumar. I don't know that actor name, but I saw his picture. You are looking like same.
Or you are pulling my leg on. No, you are pulling
Oh
my leg.
no. You have changed yourself a lot.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, yes.
So
I don't know. I don't know.
you are, according to me, you are a girl. If you are changing yourself day by day, your girls following your girls follower will be more.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Then just tell me something. What's going on in your life? How's everything? How's everybody in your family? How many members in your
In my family, there are six members: my mother, father, elder brother, younger brother, sister, and me.
I see, I see. Everything is good in your family?
Yes, yes. And what about your family?
Well, my family is very big. I have 14 member in my family. I have 14 member in my family.
Okay.
Yes.
You don't need to describe, but I also want to know how many members in your family. You don't need to
Yes.
describe.
Yes. Well, 14 members. 14 members. 14
So,
members. Yes, yes.
in 14 members, we can judge you are living in joint family and you loved a lot to each other. That's why you are living 14 member in a house.
Yes, yes, absolutely.
Because in that
Absolutely.
time, uh, most of people were happy in alone. They don't
Mhm.
want to live with the grandma, grandpa, and
Mhm.
uncle, aunt.
Yes, yes,
So
absolutely.
people like they want to live in alone. Are you getting
Yes,
my
yes.
point?
Yes, yes, I'm getting your point. I am
Yes.
getting your point. That's true.
Yes.
But this is not our culture, Jyoti. This is not our culture. We here in India, this is American culture or Britain culture. But this is not Indian culture. Some people how they wanted to stay away. They don't want to live in a joint family. They want to live alone. But in my opinion, I enjoy a joint family. I'm enjoying joint family. In
Yes.
joint family, you can take care of your parents, if you can take care of your children, your brothers, and it increase the bonding to each other.
Yes, sir.
That's I really like the joint family. I really like the joint family.
Even I like joint family, but in my family no one is married, so that's why
I
that I have a small family.